Hi everyone, if you want to enhance your PDF management and have been considering Adobe Acrobat Pro, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro for free for a limited time on both PC and Mac. Imagine having access to one of the most powerful PDF tools available without spending a dime. This free trial is perfect if you need to edit documents, convert files, sign PDFs, or organize your paperwork. The versatility of Acrobat Pro means you can handle all your PDF management needs in one place. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, Adobe makes it incredibly simple to start your free trial of Acrobat Pro through its Creative Cloud platform. Just click the link in the description below the video, which will take you directly to the Adobe Creative Cloud sign-up page. From there, you can sign up for the free trial without any hidden fees or complications. It's a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. So just click on Start Free Trial and choose the business plan from here. You will have to put your email address that you want your Adobe account to be connected with, and then click Continue. Put in your personal information and card details, but you will not be charged anything, so don't worry, and press Agree and Subscribe. Once you've registered, the next step is to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app is your gateway to all Adobe software, including Acrobat Pro. The download process is quick and user-friendly, so open a new tab and search for Adobe Creative Cloud app download. Click on the second link to download the app. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to get the app installed on your computer. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. After installation, open the Creative Cloud app and log in with the email you used to sign up for the trial. You'll see a list of available Adobe applications. Scroll through until you find Acrobat Pro, then click the install button. In just a few moments, Adobe Acrobat Pro will be ready to use on your PC or Mac. When choosing your plan, it's important to understand the difference between the business and individual options. The business plan offers a 14-day trial period, giving you plenty of time to explore all of Acrobat Pro's advanced features. This plan is ideal for professionals who need comprehensive PDF tools and additional support. On the other hand, the individual plan provides a 7-day trial, which is great for personal use and offers a solid introduction to what Acrobat Pro can do. This trial period is an excellent chance to get hands-on experience and determine if Acrobat Pro meets your PDF management needs before committing to a subscription. While Adobe's software isn't free forever, the trial offers incredible value considering the robust capabilities it provides. My team and I rely on Adobe Acrobat Pro for all our document handling needs. It stands out as the best in the market. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to ComTechpedia for more awesome tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy PDF managing. This guide helps you make the most of Adobe Acrobat Pro. See you in the next video.